In this video, we'll demonstrate how to send an electronic invoice to the PEPPOL network directly from Microsoft Dynamics 365 F&O. We begin in the main dashboard and navigate to the Accounts Receivable module, and then to the Invoice Journal to select the invoices we need to send. Once the invoice is selected, we go to the Invoice tab and choose to resend it using the Resend functionality provided by the Lasernet solution in the Print Destination settings. The key step is to select the Lasernet custom port. We then choose our pre-configured direct delivery to PEPPOL from the drop-down menu. After clicking OK, Lasernet begins processing the operation in the background. It fetches the invoice data, transforms it into the required PEPPOL format, and securely transmits it to the PEPPOL network via certified access point. We can immediately check the status in our access point provider's transaction monitor. As you can see, the transaction is marked as completed, which confirms successful delivery. The details panel on the right shows all the relevant information, including the sender and receiver IDs, and the network type is PEPPOL. Now, let's explore the one-time setup that makes a seamless process possible. Back in Dynamics 365 F&O, we navigate to the Lasernet module settings to review our custom ports. The custom port direct delivery to PEPPOL is configured to use a specific connection ID, ER via TICSTAR. The file type custom ensures the envelope is adding in the top of the document, and the execution mode provides the option either to run directly or via a batch task. Finally, the required envelope for the document needs to be specified. Drilling into the connection itself, we can see it's configured to use the PEPPOL API. This requires authorization details provided by the access point, such as the access token URL, client ID, and a secure client secret, which establishes the trusted connection. The next critical piece is a report configuration for the standard sales invoice report. We use Lasernet's metadata feature to map the report's data fields. It's possible to automatically create the required envelope, but also to manually adjust or create a new envelope. We are instructing Lasernet to use this envelope, as this is required by the certified PEPPOL access point. For more advanced control, the Lasernet Designer is used here. Developers can graphically map fields and build the logic for generating the final XML for different document types, such as a PEPPOL invoice or a PEPPOL credit note. We'll close this without making any changes. Finally, for auditing and verification, we can review the output directly within the FO connector. From the Reports Journal, we open the Lasernet archive, which shows a record of every document processed. By selecting our transaction and choosing to show document, we can see the exact file that was generated and sent. This is the final standard business document, complete with the correct headers, identifiers, and structured invoice data, fully compliant with the PEPPOL format. This confirms the final document was prepared with both the envelope and electronic documents. To find out more of what Lasernet can do for you, go to formpipe.com.